the CHEP blue wooden pallet. Inside every one, there's 6 decades of innovation. That's over 65 years of advancing new material blends to enhance durability, and continual testing to ensure peak performance and the safety of people and products. Inside every CHEP 100% certified sustainable timber pallet, there's a history of circularity, and our share, repair and reuse model that delivers proven environmental savings and assured data for ESG reporting. There's also 6 decades of performance inside. That's over 65 years of engineering to make our pallets compatible with the latest automated systems, minimizing waste and labor costs. You'll also find 6 decades of technology in there, meaning that today, our digital solutions and data-driven insights give you visibility and control of your products, so you're always ready for what's next. And while you might just see one blue wooden pallet, inside there's the world's largest global share, repair and reuse network, with a passionate team that sets CHEP apart and 300,000 businesses working together to keep things moving anywhere in the world. So while they might look like the same blue wooden pallets, as the world around them has moved on, what's inside them has too. Blue moves with the times.